Good morning, students. This GK period, we are going to learn chapter 21 Plastic Waste. GK book, page number 34. Excessive use of plastic bags produce a large amount of waste. Here given, fill in the blanks with the help of the clue box. Water bottles are the biggest source of plastic waste. It takes 500 to 1000 years for plastic to degrade. The amount of plastic that is thrown away annually can circle the earth 4 times. Plastic bags are highly toxic. Sikkim became the first Indian state to ban plastic bags. Here written dangers to marine life. Plastic bags are now amongst the top 12 items of debris most often found along coastlines. Animals and sea turtles lose their life every day due to plastic bags discarded in water bodies. A dead turtle with a plastic bag hanging from its mouth isn't a pleasant sight. Mistaking plastic bags for food is common amongst marine animals. Plastic bags clog their intestine and lead to slow starvation. At times, they get entangled in plastic bags and drown. You know, children, 5 trillion plastic bags are produced every year. Children, you know what are the disadvantages of plastic bags or other things? Flammable means this is definitely an advantage in that they can be melted down. However, smoldering plastic can release toxic fumes into the environment that it makes environment pollution. Cost of recycling. While recycling is a plus, recycling is very costly and devious. You know, children, what are the advantages and disadvantages of plastic pollution? The properties of plastic are resistant to rust and chemically inert. They have low coefficient thermal expansion and have strong thermal and electrical insulating properties. So, plastic benefits are very good, water resistant and have good authenticity. Plastic production is solid, good and cheap. These are the advantages of plastic, but same disadvantages also there. So, what are the disadvantages of recycling plastic? The process of melting down and recycling plastic produces VOC or violate organic compounds, fumes that can harm plant and animal life near the industrial site. The heat needed to melt plastic also generates carbon emissions which contribute to global warming. How can we avoid plastic? There are some tips. Stop using plastic straw. Use reusable produce bag. Give up gum. Buy boxes instead of bottles. Purchase food like cereal, pasta and rice from bulk bins and fill a reusable bag or container, or reuse containers for storing leftovers or shopping in bulk. Why should we avoid plastic bag? We should avoid plastic bag because they are lightweight. Plastic bags get easily picked up away by wind and travel long distance by wind and water to pollute the nature. Plastic bag litter has been caused great problems in some areas. Unfortunately, such a high level of pollution doesn't come without consequence. You know, children, who invented plastic? Plastic invented by Alexander Parks in 1855. Now you understood what are the advantages and disadvantages of plastic.